Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, we are going to draw Sceptile, the grass starter Pokemon from Hoenn region. The design will be complicated, so let's go guys. We can do it. First, change the background color to gray. Then, add new layer to create the rough sketch. It's okay if you make it look so messy, that's the point of rough sketch. To determine which line is good for the outline later, you can start from anywhere you like. Don't forget to add some details and make the right proportion in this phase. It's okay if you want to add more layer for the sketch. We can always merge later in the end. When you are done with the sketch, let's continue to create the final outline. First, turn down the opacity of sketch layer to 40%. Then, add new layer to create the outline. Start from anywhere you like, but the front part first, make it easier. Now the outline is perfect, time to color it. First, set the outline layer as reference. See the image above. Then, you can drop the color based with the shapes and outline layer. Remember, add one layer for one mid-tone color only. See the image above. After you drop the mid-tone color, add one layer above each mid-tone layer. And set them as clipping mask. See the image above. Now pick the darker color, then start to create the shadow tone. Repeat this step for the highlight tone layer. Remember to imagine where the light will come from. You do that, then the coloring is the most fun part. You will understand where the darker part or the lighter part of the character. That's all for today. Thank you guys for watching and learning. And see you in the next video.